What is up, YouTube? It has been a minute. Your girl has been gone, but I am back. If you are new to my channel, I am Toshinae Letrice, and this is my channel. Okay? Period. As you can see, I look a hot mess. I just woke up. What's up? I'm about to do my hair for work, okay? So I'm about to go ahead and with my Mofajang. This is not my first time using this product. If you don't know what this product is, this is hair paint wax. This is the ash color, and I've actually done this color before. I did it last year for Halloween when I was Storm, but I'm doing it again because it's Halloween tomorrow and I can't wear my costume to work, so I'm just gonna do this to my hair and, you know, call it a day. I will be showing you guys how I do this. Here it is, the Mofajang ash color, gray, silver, whatever you want to call it. My hair is in a wash and go right now. What did I use? I used the Dove leave-in conditioner with Taraji P. Henson's gel, and actually this is about day 2 or 3 and I don't see no flaking, okay? And I know that in my previous video, if you haven't seen it, I did mention that the last time I used this gel that it had some flaking, and it might just have been the combination of the products that I use because I don't see no flakes today, boo-boo. It looks pretty good. I got a lot of compliments on my hair, and I'm kind of sad to see this wash and go. I actually wanted to wear it for longer, but I cannot apply this to dry hair. Like, I probably could, but it just would not look the same. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet my hair in sections and apply the gel. And that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So y'all gonna see me with a silver head. I'm gonna go ahead and section this off. Okay, so I'm going in with my water. It is hot. And I already have products because, yeah, it was a wash and go. As you can see, my curls are still popping a little bit. Not in the back here. But I'm hoping that this will just reactivate the gel and stuff that I already have in my hair. And then if you haven't seen any reviews of the Mofajang, it usually gives your hair some really good definition. So I want it to be defined, but also, like, I didn't want to restart all the way over because I want it to be like, you know, I don't want it to have that super defined crunchy look. I want it to be kind of like more loose, like it was like a third day. Mofajang. I think that's how you say that. Mofajang. Mofajang. Okay, I was gonna use my teeth to open this, but okay, I am. Ooh. One thing about this Mofajang is it smells. The smell is very strong. It's not like a terrible smell. It smells clean, but it's very, very overpowering. So let's just go in. It's gonna be messy, so I don't know. I'm trying to be cute with it. I'm trying to get I don't know what kind of technique I'm about to use. I really think I'm just gonna use the regular product technique. I'm just gonna comb it through. But I wanna also make sure I get it all over and that I'm using enough. Rue. You guys, I think my dog's going deaf. Like, either she's going deaf or she just be ignoring me. I don't know which one. As you can see, I'm trying not to drench my hair and make it super wet so that it's not flat. Like, I want it to still have some volume. So I'm using a little less water than I normally would to put products in my hair. Just so that I can keep some of that definition, but also like that volume that's already there too. Got this shit all over my forehead. Yes, look how this is starting to dry. Like, I'm getting the big poofy, you know, like look that I wanted. You know, like day 2 hair type of look. Day 3 hair maybe. Okay, a little more volume. That's what I'm. I'm kind of pushing it back because I'm gonna wear a headpiece. I'm gonna wear my storm headpiece too. Hopefully my boss is good with that because they wouldn't let us wear no costume. So I'm like, I can at least do my hair like this and wear my little storm head attire, right? Right? Storm has a job. That's what I'm gonna look like. Storm has a job. Like, oh, why'd you quit that X-Men? Like, had to make that money, honey. Had to get to the bag. X-Men was not paying me enough, and COVID-19, nobody needs saving, okay? I'm stupid. Wet look. Okay, I was done with all this shit on my face. This shit on my forehead and shit. This shit will probably break me out, which is why I keep rubbing it off, because I got very sensitive skin. This shit will probably make my whole forehead break out, okay? So I'm about to wash my face. Did I already wash my face this morning? I don't think I did. No, I didn't. Boom, there. Boom, there. Alright, I'm gonna throw some edges on that too. I'm gonna throw some edges on that. Okay, let me get a little more on this side because I feel like it's not as covered. Boom, bada boom. Boom, bitty boop. There we go. Once this dries, I feel like it's gonna look so good. So good. So good. So good. scratch that crunch. I'm gonna have some mad definition and some mad volume, okay? Okay. Period. That's what y'all be sounding like. Period. I'm gonna come back to you guys when this is done and dry. But that is my ash gray storm look. When I come back, I'm gonna have probably a full face of makeup, I have a little headset on, and everything. So stay tuned, baby. Alright, y'all, I'm back. And I really don't know if this shows up. I look back on the footage. I don't know if it shows up as much as it looks in person, but it's really gray. Like, I don't know if it looks like that on camera. Let me get the close up. Whoop, whoop, whoop. But it looks fantastic. And as you can see, I have put on my storm little head attire, okay? This is from my storm costume that I wore last year. And yeah, this is my little work outfit that we're wearing for Halloween. I'm not a huge fan of it, but I mean, it looks good with it. Yeah, sorry guys, my camera died, but yes, this is the finished look. I really love it. It is giving me that full but defined look that I really wanted. It's still, you know, big and poofy, but also really defined, which I'm really loving. So yeah, that was my Mofajang Ash Gray tutorial or review, or I mean, I've used this product before, so I guess it was just tutorial showing you how to apply and how I like to do it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and I will see you next time. See ya.